temperature of the car. Now, of course, the best protection is not to get into an accident at all. So the Model X comes standard with active safety, which includes automatic emergency braking and side collision.
Hei hi raidaran mga pang hinin asir velami ha motoron kal hetilaya isir apma sutur poni se ama hianin brake thaita motor himber thilre re chu a himber chu accident lo ni ta accident apo accident polom ta sela he motor hi a himber jingam ni ta i design du zong le zong lo ngai i fanau nang ma hip na tur kha i ngai poimo ti kha a ke ma chonin hip na kha kata na chong kati ngai poimo lo kanu pui fanau ta na kha ka ngai poimo chu wang chon hei hi kan tu em na chan ne
Camera and the radar to automatically brake
ama
before
ten
there's an
braking
accident.
mo
And it will use the ultrasonic
chonin
sensors around the
apma
side of
hian
the car
thil polom
to
sela
steer you away from
a
a side
steering hi
collision.
a motor hian
And these are
a
active all the
computer
time,
hian
and it's
control
just a
thei
standard
bang
feature
hian
of the car.
asira hian a tlan kol thei ta ni to na da thilom sela i brake man ton lo khet chana steering khanin mi ring ai rang khanin a pe hel thei ta ni
Now, the third thing, which is sort of topical, is air safety. Now, we designed the car well before recent events. So it just happens.
hei hi ka ngai poimo pakhat zo pakhat le chu thli thiang hlim na kan hmu thei lo kan ti wang hian kan ma mo mi thina kan dam pui thei kan thri sel na tan na poimo em thli thiang hlim mo eng wanga zia zu ko thalo kan ti zia zu tu mai ni loin asir kan bul nai mi ten arim kan la thei zo ka zia zuk thalo ang hian motor ina gas mai apek so mo a khu suak hi borok kan ti bala chu borok kan ti bal pek so kan hi plut le chu wang sonin nang mai in mangai angin veng te mangai ro tiang do khanin thli ba bol lo tu ni kha keima wang mi dang nan tur kha ka ngai ngam che lawa ai hian thli bal tur kha aveng thli bala pe chok lo an tiang chu
Illustrated the importance of air safety. And we have with the Model X the first true HEPAers we could find on the internet. Like the most conservative. They go way worse than this. This is
hei hi Tesla filter sunita aircon te hit te ang tiang tang khanin apona thli bal kha hei hian alo filtera thli thiang hlim kha motor chunga mo kan hip kama khan hei hian in nuclear bio filter an ta HEPA filter nuclear bomb po ang ron puk ang isla motor chunga Tesla motor chunga chonin mihring pakhatin numdamin nuclear borok chia ran paiso po khai hianin aveng him thei don ne hei hi motor pang aya an filter mo alet somin ain cha lai ya klibal po alet somin hei hianin alo ti thiang hlim don ne
So this is what a normal car filter looks like. It's really quite small. This is the primary air filter of the Model X.
hei model X ha an don
And
ne
this is the secondary air filter.
patni
Our secondary air filter is bigger than the primary air filter of a typical car.
air
So,
filter hi patni an nei ni se
And not only is it
na chin kha ka sai sol hei hi motor pang aya an filter ni ta hei hianin Tesla chonin alo filter ma sapota abal klibal mo chonin chumi zo heta hena ron lut le hei hianin a final motor chunga passenger ta hip tur thli ha lo ti thiang lim sak nei se
greater. So that translates to a
hei virus mo virus hi motor chunga ron lut tor kha alet zariatin alo dang thai chonin motor khu vui khu te allergen bacteria khang ti ho kha alet zathum alet zanga alet zasri le zariatin Tesla an filter hianin alut motor chunga lut tor lo dang thai ni
ability. It is 300 times better at filtering bacteria. One universal adsorbent layer, that's the initial layer. Then we've got another activated carbon layer that's meant for acid gases, and another one for alkaline gases. The net effect of the air filtration system is that you have air cleanliness levels which can be viruses or bacteria or spores. So
tun Tesla an mang ang hi dam do ina filter an mang ang tak tak hian ta chu wang sonin allergic nei ang chi te enge thoha nei ang chi ta na mo virus ho zong zong kha upalam pang to tan tun ang virus huna phai chon corona virus huna tan phai chon in chung ko hin beng him nan thatak ne mailin
we can't even detect any viruses or bacteria or spores. So it's like zero come through. So if there's ever sort of a
bio weapon defense mode mo nuclear ang te rik thalo ang chia mo ka tiang aveng him thai tor khanin klit ti thiang lim thai na anei
you just press the bioweapon defense mode button. This is a real button.
hemi mo hei on off so nen apon ang ti khoponin thli bal ma sela hei hanan lo filter sar don ne tui filter kan re to thedanga tui hi chu kan mu thai lo virus te bacteria ala om tho thli a pai chona tam le zola hei motor khu zo zai ha kan hip lut le ta ne
So with the front door, it will open the front door without me touching anything. I will sit down and it will close the door like an invisible chauffeur.
virus in kai chong lo na that khop mai ha khoi ngai mi lo ha pere kra panga ma khan khar le mai ta
A windshield that's a panoramic windshield, so it comes up and over and feels like a helicopter cockpit when you're driving.
atar lang hi tilai thleng hian am ta tilai mo so wangen ata electric hrui poi hetia ranat ti hi nga ya hi an black out so wang so helicopter khal hi kan ang
So it comes up and over and feels like a helicopter cockpit when you're driving. So it gives you unbelievable, but let's open these doors. So the reason we created these doors was originally we were trying to solve a problem, which is how do you access the third row if you have child seats in the second row? And I encountered this problem when I first could just stand right here. You can actually step into the car if you want, and you can just put your child down in the child seat. It makes a huge difference in terms of back strain and comfort. So those are the two functional reasons, and it also looks cool. So yeah. So that's the Falcon Wing doors, and now obviously.
heng tiang kong kharan design chan chu tuna alu chua nom na na mo ding chung to thoina ta hena lu chua thain ta eta hena me na ma push button ka ma te an son don ne so now pom ta na po kun vak ngai lo khanin ding chung khanin ol sam to khanin now ka alak lu chua ol sam em chu wanga hetia Falcon Wing ante ate tirna san mo an kong khar hi ama henin khiat na na ya sensor mo achya thil omazir khanin ain hongdan hi atlak dang lam the hi engting a che pa po ain hong thei ti en tier tu na ta
So the scenario we're going to show you here is if you've ever been in a parking lot and someone parked real close.
In nai to lo pak an khan en tin nge ain hong don ti kha
So it's I don't know if you can see well here, but there's only about a few inches separating the side mirrors on each side of the car. So we're going to open the Falcon Wing doors where there's barely enough room.
ring polling tok kong khar hong chu soi lo mo atla hi in che som po leng lo in che som po lo ang nga po lo pak ang ni ta sela ata hian sensor oma kha atilai nai thil re kha achunga point thilo sera ain hong dang khain control mai don computer
The reason it's able to do that is because unlike a traditional gull-wing door, which is only actuated on a single hinge, the Model X Falcon Wing doors are
Grasha. With the mo.
common questions I get about the Model X. The car actually automatically senses what the roof height is. So there are ultrasonic sensors in the roof of the car that calculate the roof height and automatically compute a new opening arc depending upon what the height of the ceiling is and what the side obstacles are.
Anything apohenin BMT pokanin ay niam point sala kong karian si hong si may don.
And what the side obstacles are. We actually developed a new ultrasonic sensor that's able to do sonar through metal. So in order to avoid having a puck, which is ordinarily needed for ultrasonic sensors, we thought the aesthetics of the puck would not be good because it would have to be in the center of the door. So we actually, Falcon Wing door, it tends to create a halo around the seat. So we put a lot of effort into creating a beautiful seat. And not only is the seat, I think, probably the best looking second seat. You have a flat floor, and you can stow if something. So if you've got a backpack or a laptop or a handbag, you can stow that under the seat instead of having it at your feet. So it actually provides utility as well as aesthetics. All right. And speaking of utility, let's see what the Model X can really carry. So the Model X is capable of towing 5,000 pounds. So 5,000 pounds while carrying 7 people and quite a lot of luggage. Yeah. And of course, let's not forget about the front. Yes, we need the stroller. There we go. Do you want to put them in or do you want to carry them out? All right. A kid in approximately 10 seconds. Thank you. I think that was more like 5 seconds. So the accessories hitch can carry up to 4 bikes or up to 6 sets of skis. And you can close the trunk and have full functionality with the rest of the car. 0.2 seconds.